Have you ever been in a situation where you wanted to cancel a bank account but weren't sure how to go about it? Maybe you're moving to a new bank, or maybe you're just not happy with your current one. Whatever the reason, canceling a bank account can be a bit confusing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Relay bank account. I'll also provide you with some tips on what to do before and after you cancel your account. Hi, I'm your name, and I'm here to help you cancel your Relay bank account. I've been using Relay Bank for a few years now, and I've found it to be a great bank. However, I recently decided to switch to a different bank, so I needed to cancel my Relay bank account. I was surprised at how difficult it was to find clear instructions on how to cancel a Relay bank account online. So, I decided to make this video to help others who are in the same situation. Body. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you can cancel your Relay bank account, you'll need to gather some information. You'll need your account number, your routing number, and your social security number. Step 2. Contact Relay Bank. Once you have your information, you can contact Relay Bank. You can do this by calling their customer service number or by visiting their website. Step 3. Request to cancel your account. When you contact Relay Bank, be sure to tell them that you want to cancel your account. You'll need to provide them with your account number, your routing number, and your social security number. Step 4. Close out your account. Once Relay Bank has processed your request to cancel your account, they will close out your account. This means that you will no longer be able to access your account or make any transactions. Tips for canceling your Relay bank account. Be sure to close out all of your accounts before canceling your Relay bank account. This includes checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Be sure to transfer any remaining funds to your new bank account. Be sure to update your direct deposit information with your new bank. Be sure to notify any creditors or other companies that you have changed your bank account. Now that you know how to cancel your Relay bank account, you can make the switch to a new bank. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about canceling your Relay bank account, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.